of us.
What was that? Am I going crazy here? What's these noises I keep hearing? Oh, maybe it's a bird outside or something. I don't know. Did I just see... No, I just... Okay, right. I'm gonna have to come up with a plan here. There's something going on. Caught ya!
I wasn't doing anything.
Yes, you were. You were making these stupid noises.
I wasn't making noises. You're just hearing things.
No, you were making annoying sounds. I heard you.
Things.
No.
You're going crazy.
The only one who's crazy round here is you little brat.
Big brother's crazy.
No.
Big brother's crazy.
No, I'm not.
He's insane.
Shut up.
Bad in the brain.
Be quiet. Stop it. Let me eat in quiet. God, so annoying. Oh, stop it. I'm just gonna take this in my room. Hi, yeah, you know, I'm about to watch the football later with my dad, and yeah, it should be good. Yeah, we're gonna watch the football. It's gonna have a good games going on. Ow! Don't worry about that. It's my brother being super annoying again. So anyway, we're gonna watch the football. It's gonna be a good game. So yeah, it should be pretty cool. Ah! I've got to go. Give me a second. Sorry, this is getting really annoying. Boop. Catch him in the act again. He hasn't been here for a while. It's been like 20 minutes. Maybe I can just get a quick nap. Ah! Right, that's it. I'm gonna go and tell Dad.
Big brother's so stupid. I'm gonna hide in here.
Dad! Yes, son? Bushy's being annoying again. He keeps coming into my room and making really loud and annoying noises. I've told him about this. Dad, can you just come and tell him to be quiet? Get out of my room. Oh, okay. Come on then. He's in here, Dad. I swear. Ah! Oh, you're so... why are you doing this for?
Oh, you're not my brother. Sorry, Daddy. I thought it was him.
Why you jump out at me like that? You nearly gave me a heart attack.
I was just trying to be funny.
Well, you're not funny, are you? You've been annoying me all day with these stupid noises.
He's being mean, Daddy.
Right, both of you, stop your arguing. But I didn't even do anything. It was him. Well, both of you stop your arguing, you stop making annoying noises, and you stop being so mean. I've spoken, now get out of the room. You heard him, get out of my room. Oh, such a little brat. Shut up! Be quiet! Right, I'm going to the toilet. I'm going to the toilet, and don't you dare make noises while I'm in there.
Okay, he's gonna go to the toilet, so I'm gonna go and make some funny noises.
Oh, you're still in there, are you, Mum?
Yes, just wait a few minutes. I'll be out soon.
Okay, good.
Who's in the bathroom and the toilet? I'm gonna go and make some annoying noises.
What's that? I'm trying to go to the toilet. Who's doing that? Oh. If that's Bushy, he's in big trouble. Right, that's it. Bushy? What are you doing making loud noises when Mummy's trying to go to the toilet? I'll not have your excuses. You do not annoy your mummy when she's trying to go to the toilet. You are grounded for a week. Get to your room. Get to your room. God, so annoying. Wait, what happened?
He's playing a trick on me.
Oh, how did I perform a dirty trick on you?
You said you were in the bathroom and then told me everything.
Well, that's what you get for being a little brat. Bye. Have fun being grounded.